Hello, dear friends. Welcome to our channel, where we discover the secrets of happiness and success together. Today, I'll tell you how to boost your self-esteem and achieve success in life. If this topic interests you, give a thumbs up and let's get started. Self-esteem is how we perceive ourselves. It's the foundation on which our success is built. If you feel unworthy of success, it's likely to elude you. But don't worry, there are many ways to change this situation.
1. Positive thinking. The first step to boosting self-esteem is positive thinking. Start each day with affirmations like, I am capable of achieving anything I want. I deserve success. Repeat them every day in front of the mirror. For example, the great actor Jim Carrey began his journey by writing himself checks for large sums and believing that one day he could cash them. And guess what? His dreams became reality. 2. Achieving small goals. The next step is to achieve small goals. When you set big goals, they might seem unattainable. Break them down into small steps. For example, if you want to learn to play the guitar, start with simple chords. Each small success will lift your self-esteem. 3. Surroundings. It's very important to surround yourself with people who believe in you and support you. Your environment should always inspire you to achieve new heights. Remember, even the most successful people like Oprah Winfrey have spoken about the importance of having supportive people around. 4. Do what you love. When you do what you love, you feel more confident. Find a hobby or activity that brings you joy and do it regularly. For example, the famous painter Vincent van Gogh always painted despite all difficulties, and it helped him feel better. 5. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of the journey to success. Don't fear them, but learn from them. Remember the story of Thomas Edison, who made 1,000 attempts before he invented the light bulb. Each failure brought him closer to success. Similarly, your mistakes are steps toward your victories. Friends, remember that self-esteem is the key to success. Start small. Believe in yourself, surround yourself with the right people, achieve small goals, and do what you love. Your journey to success begins with you. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share your success stories in the comments. See you next time, and remember, you deserve the best.